Here the question is, pass necessary journal entries for the following transactions on the dissolution of the firm of P and Q after the various assets other than cash and outside liabilities have been transferred to revaluation account. A part. First of all, we have to draw the format for journal entries for answer 6. A part. Bank loan rupees 12,000 was paid. This is realization to bank because bank loan is paid through the realization account. Hence A part, realization account debited to cash account being the bank loan paid on dissolution, not bank. Being the bank loan paid on dissolution, the amount will be rupees 12,000. Then B part, stock worth 16,000 was taken over by partner Q. This is Q's capital account debited to realization account. Q's capital account debited to realization account. Because stock is there in the debit side of the realization account, it will be taken over or realized in the credit side. That is, being stock worth rupees 16,000 taken over by partner Q on realization at same price. Then C part, partner P paid a creditor rupees 4,000. Partner P paid a creditor rupees 4,000. Creditor is transferred in the credit side to the credit side of the realization account. It is paid in the debit side or taken over in the debit side. That is, realization account debited to P's capital account. Being the partner P paid a creditor rupees 4,000 on dissolution. Then D part, an asset not appearing in the books of account realized 1,200. Unrecorded asset. It will be realized in the credit side, that is cash account debited to realization account being unrecorded asset realized 1,200 on dissolution. In the debit and credit side, we have to write down 1,200 each. Then E part, expenses of realization 2,000 were paid by partner Q. That is, realization account debited to Q's account. Because expenses are shown in the debit side of realization account, hence realization account is debited 2,000. Q is paying to Q's capital account because Q will be reimbursed. He is a partner, rupees 2,000. Being realization expenses paid by partner Q, rupees 2,000. The next one will be F part. Profit on dissolution realization 36,000 were distributed between P and Q in 5:4 ratio. This is realization account debited to 36,000 to P's capital account rupees 20,000 to Q's capital account rupees 16,000. Being profit on dissolution distributed among P and Q in 5:4 ratio. We have to total both debit and credit columns to find out the totaling, and that is rupees 71,200, and both sides are correct.